In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate ClickFunnels leads into Google Sheets using n8n. If you've been manually transferring your ClickFunnels leads into Google Sheets, I understand how time-consuming that task can become. So, let's jump in and simplify your workflow, saving you time and effort. First, you'll want to open n8n, which is a powerful tool for workflow automation. Once you're in, you'll need to create a new workflow. To do this, simply click on Create Workflow. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to name your workflow something memorable and relevant, like ClickFunnels leads to Google Sheets. Naming your workflows effectively helps you keep everything organized as you manage various automations. Now that you have your workflow created, the next thing you want to do is add a webhook node. This node is crucial because it's what allows n8n to listen for incoming leads from ClickFunnels. When setting up this node, you'll need to configure the HTTP method to post. This is because ClickFunnels will send information to this node, requiring it to post the data to your workflow. Set the path to ClickFunnels leads. Make sure everything is configured correctly, and then don't forget to save the workflow. This step ensures you don't lose your configuration and that it's ready for the next steps. After saving, you'll see a URL labeled either as the test URL or production URL. This URL is important because it's what ClickFunnels will use to send data to your n8n workflow. You can think of it as the unique phone number for your n8n workflow, through which ClickFunnels sends its call. Copy this link carefully, as any error here could disrupt the workflows. It usually looks something like this: https yourdomain.com/webhook/ClickFunnels leads. Once your webhook node is set up, it's time to integrate your Google Sheets. Add a Google Sheets node to your workflow. Your first step here is to connect your Google account, giving n8n permission to access your spreadsheets. After establishing this connection, choose the operation Append Row. This crucial step tells the system that whenever a new lead comes in, you want to add it as a new row in your Google Sheet. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want these leads to be recorded. Mapping each column is vital in this process. Make sure to match each field in your Google Sheet with the corresponding lead information from ClickFunnels. This way, every piece of data lands in the correct spot. What's really convenient about using n8n's Google Sheets node is that it supports appending rows directly without the need for any custom API code. This feature makes the process much more accessible for everyone, regardless of your technical expertise. And there you have it, a streamlined, automated process that imports your ClickFunnels leads directly into Google Sheets, freeing up your time for more important tasks. With this automation in place, you can focus on engaging with your leads instead of copying and pasting data all day. Happy automating!